The tastiest broccoli recipe in the world. Easy and quick. Start by cutting 250 g of broccoli using scissors. Then use a knife to reduce the size. Broccoli is so beautiful, look at that color. Now, cut half a piece of carrot into small pieces. Very small ones, okay. Then transfer the broccoli and carrots to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 3 eggs, salt to your liking and mix everything well. Then heat a frying pan with olive oil. Transfer the ingredients to the pan, mix well and cook for 5 minutes. Turn the snack over so that both sides are the same texture, okay? Cook for another 2 minutes. And here it is. Our sensational broccoli snack is ready to be served. Who'd have thought it, right? Is your mouth watering? Then like and follow our page for more tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.